The worst thing you could do right now is give up. I'm gonna give you a blueprint, a recipe on how to stay highly motivated, highly creative and efficient, and becoming highly successful on your online journey. Because otherwise, this is as far as you got. End of story. No more, no less. Finito. So clearly, you can't afford to give up now. Here we go. Climb the mountain one step at a time. So let's face it, this is a marathon or even a double marathon. You're in it for the long run, kiddo. There are no quick fixes, so your daily and weekly actions are what's going to generate the big results in the end. That's why daily and weekly actions are so very important to reach your goal. Generating leads through your blog, your YouTube channel, or paid ads takes work daily, weekly, for years to come. And when you can accept that, you're in a much better place for success. So embrace the grind and keep moving. Keep going. That's my motto. What's yours? Celebrate your big and small wins. Okay, you're frustrated your affiliate link only generated $2, but hey, $2 is a lot more than $0, which is probably what all of your friends and family and neighbors were making online last month. Am I right? So you're way ahead of everyone you know. Correct me if I'm wrong. And besides, the $2 that you made really prove that your link and the system that you set up actually work. It just needs to work a little better, a little more, right? So what small wins have you celebrated so far? And what's up next for you to achieve and celebrate? Please feel free to put it in the comments below. Okay, next. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Make a schedule for your online work. Make it fit into your life to get things done. Because if you're not doing them, nobody will. And besides, this helps you stay out of overwhelm and burnout. Because now you can rest assured that things are gonna get done if you plan them. For example, on Wednesdays, like I do. This is a demanding process and you need to be relaxed and have fun while doing it. And with a plan, you can even look forward to the hard work that you're gonna have to do. Bite the bullet. Force yourself to sit down and work. Yeah, I mean it. Force yourself. Sometimes you just have to. You see, having no boss telling you what to do and no colleagues expecting results from you comes with a whole new kind of responsibility. It's the responsibility towards yourself, towards your dream, and towards your customers. So putting things off is out of the question. You have to get stuff done. So don't fall into the trap of letting yourself down just because nobody is looking, okay? Self-deception is so common, finding excuses not to face tough activities and emotions. It's like being on a weight loss diet, eating that chocolate bar on a Thursday night just because nobody's looking. Well, hey, you're there. You're calling your own bluff and you're actually deceiving yourself. And the only person you're letting down is yourself. Same thing goes for your online dream. So force yourself sometimes to sit down and write that blog, film that video, or create those ads, though it feels tough and uncomfortable because you don't feel like it. You need to bite the bullet sometimes. We are stronger together. Fight the feeling of loneliness and feeling sorry for yourself. You are not alone out there doing this job. There are thousands of people just like us out there, working, grinding, trying to fulfill their online dream. It's like when you're rising at 4 o'clock in the morning to catch an early flight and you feel like no one else in the world is awake at this point. And even out on the road in your taxi or Uber or whatever, there is no one there and you're feeling all alone, you're doing this all by yourself. But then, hey, when you get to the airport and you get into the terminal, you realize, wow, a lot of people are doing the same thing I am. And there's even people here that have been at work for hours. All right, you stop feeling sorry for yourself. You're not lonely. You're actually part of a bigger experience with a lot of people that are put through the same situation and emotions and struggles as you are. I want you to remind yourself of that analogy when you start feeling lonely and sorry for yourself the next time. Change the world one action at a time. You will win at this game. I promise you will. Not win over others, but over yourself. Picture yourself in your goal. Side hustle making you 1K a month or a full-time income making you much more. And remind yourself what for. Never forget the people and lives that you affect. with your business by staying in business. Maybe you're offering financial advice. Maybe you are selling waterproof golfing shoes. Maybe you're coaching struggling parents. Remember your purpose and never forget the impact that you're making in the world. Revisit your vision, mission, and goals. Remind yourself of your purpose. Do you want tech support and everything else that goes with it? Check out our website malinlindbom.com. Free videos and workshops. Let's do this together. Check it out now, and I'll see you in the next video.